were just on a nice walk and it was sunny. Well, it wasn't sunny. It just was cloudy, but whoa, that happened fast, huh? Yeah, that happened very quickly.
Oh my God.
That happened quick.
Alright, you don't want to go run in the rain real quick?
Go run in the Ready? Let's go run in the rain. Armando. Go run, go run. Go run. That was fun. Go.
He was like this.
Okay, one more time, and we have to change you anyway.
Ready?
Ready? Go,
Wanna
go,
go?
go. You want to go? Go to Ray, go to Ray. I swear, as soon as you guys stepped out, it started raining harder.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
He is soaked.
Was that fun, Armando?
That's